There are, I suppose, some disadvantages of attending a Carolina Kids Co-op. If you do not like fresh air and sunlight, you probably should not join a CKC. If you don't like to see kids running around being kids, getting dirty, splashing paint on their clothes, every once in a while jumping in a muddy puddle, we might not be the right fit for you. But remember, between all that muddy puddle jumping is genuine, rigorous academics. Kids being kids is something that we just need more of in the world today. And that's what we're providing at CKC. If you don't like community and being invited to lots of fun events, you probably don't want to join a CKC. If you prefer to be isolated at home and you don't want to leave the house and have a really good time with some of your really close friends out in nature, you probably should not join a CKC. If you are allergic to sunlight, fresh air, grass, you probably should not join a CKC. And there are bugs. I'm not crazy about bugs. We are outdoors, but what we are learning, not just math, not just reading, not just social studies, we are learning resilience. We are learning that sometimes it's a little too cold, sometimes it's a little too hot, sometimes there's a bug on your notebook, and you just gotta deal with it. And your best friends are sitting there helping you get through it. We teach classes like conquering fear and anxiety management. So even if you do come in with that fear of spiders and a spider lands on your notebook, we've got a class for that.